This unique offering features 2 neighboring farms totaling 116 acres, each with a powerful blend of income, hunting, and building potential. The 76-acre tract includes over 66 acres of tillable with an average CSR2 of 44, bringing in nearly $11,000 annually, while the 40-acre parcel offers 34 acres of tillable and generates $5,600 per year. Located in the prime hunting area, known for a trophy caliber whitetail, these farms benefit from low hunting pressure and offer multiple access points for flexible setups. Each property features elevated building sites with sweeping views, plus rural water and electric at the road, making future development easy. Whether you're looking to invest, build, farm, or hunt, these farms offer unmatched versatility and value. My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing Land Guys here in Southeast Iowa.